Write a program to replace every lowercase character with a dollar. So in a string, if you have a lowercase, so you have to replace it with a string with a dollar sign. Okay, so here see I have taken F, which is a combination of lowercase uppercase. Okay, so I have to traverse again each character of the alphabet, so I am doing without the range function. So I am doing for I in F. Now first the F will be capital A. So I am checking if this is lower. If it is lower, then you print dollar, because it's saying every lowercase with a dollar, right? If it is not lower, then I will print I simply, right? The same character only I'll print. Clear? So that is what I am doing. So first here I will be capital A. So is A a lower? No, it's not. So it will not come to this line. It will go to the else part and it will print I. So it will print A as it is. Now again it will go up. Now I is my L, small l. Now here this condition satisfied, L is lower, right? So here it will print dollar instead of I. So it will so first was my A, then a dollar will be coming. Else it will not go, right? Then again it will go. Now it is capital P. Now again this is not satisfied. This is satisfied. So here it will print I. So it will print capital P here. This way it will go on till the end. When wherever it is getting a lowercase, it will print dollar. If it is not a lowercase, it will print the value, the character itself.